Hi and welcome to Python for Beginners. In this video we are going to make a Hello World program. First of all, I'm going to create a folder and we are going to name it Programming. After that, open Sublime Text and open this folder in Sublime Text. So I'm going to go to Desktop and then Programming. In this I'm going to make a new file and we are going to save this file by the name helloworld.py. Here the .py extension is necessary. This indicates that this is a Python file and I'm going to save it. Now we are going to write a Hello World program. So I'm going to say print Hello World and I'm going to save it by typing Ctrl S, and to run it I'm going to say Ctrl B, and as you can see it says Hello World. You can also run this code in your command prompt, and sometimes you have to run it in your command prompt. So I'm also going to show you how to run that. One of the ways to run it in command prompt is to go to the folder and click on the path and then cut all the path and type in cmd and hit enter. This will open command prompt which will have the same path as this folder. So and say it over here. I need to go back and then come back, and as you can see this path is the same as this path. Another way which I use the most is by going to Sublime Text and then hitting Ctrl O. This is going to open your folder and it's going to open the path that this file which is open is placed. Now I can say Ctrl L, go over here, then I can say cmd, the command prompt pops up. We can close this. To run this file you need to say Python and then the file name. So I'm going to say HEL and then I'm going to hit tab to autocomplete and then I'm going to hit enter. It says Hello World. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, like this video if this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.